In a program, flow of control happens by decision making and loop structures. Now let us clear how the translation mechanism can be used to implement three address code corresponding to flow of control statements. For example, we are considering statement can be if expression then S1, S can be if expression then S1 else S2, S can be while E do S1. Certain assumptions for the explanation. New label returns a new label name. E is associated with two labels E.true and E.false. E.true is a label which controls the true part of expression. E.false labels which controls flow if E is false. S.next. S.next is a statement that follows the decision making if or while statement. E.place this place is an attribute which holds the current value of E. Gen is a function which creates the three address statement. For example, if gen and arguments are x equal to y plus z, we get three address statement x equal to y plus z. E.code represents the three address code for expression E. Consider S gives E expression then S1. For example, if A greater than B, large equal to A. Expression is A greater than B. Statement is large equal to A. For that, we have to evaluate E first. E.code. E.code represents three address code corresponding to the statement E. In this explanation, we are discussing about the flow of this if statement. If E.place means this place hold the current value of this expression E. That value can be either 1 or 0. If E.place equal to 1, go to true part. That means go to E.true. E.true is a label representing the true part of this expression. E.true, what we have to do? We have to execute the statement S1. If E.place equal to 0, what we have to do? We have to go statement following this S. That is represented by S.next. Consider the semantic rules. Here we have to create a label E.true. E.true equal to new label. New label creates a new label E.true. S.code equal to, what are the codes we have to done here? E.code, this operator means appending. This S.code contains three address statements corresponding to E and three address statements corresponding to this if statement. S.code equal to E.code and append. Then we have to gen. Gen is used to generate three address statement. Gen if E.place equal to 1, go to E.true and gen go to S.next and we have to create this E.true. Gen E.true. Then we have to execute this statement and we have to write three address statement corresponding to this S1 that is represented by S1.code. Now consider if then else. If expression then statement S1 else statement S2. For example, if A greater than B, large equal to A, else large equal to B. E.code. In this example, A greater than B. E.code is the three address code corresponding to expression E. If E.place equal to 0, where we have to go? We have to go to else part. Go to E.false. Then we have to execute S2. That is represent that 3 address code corresponding to S2 is represented by S2 dot code. If it is true, we have to execute S1. S1 dot code represent 3 address statement corresponding to S1. Then after executing this true part, we have to go out of this S. That is, go to S dot next. We have to go out of this if statement. Now the semantic rules are, here we have to create a label for false. E dot false equal to new label. S dot code equal to, we require the code of E dot code, and gen if E dot place equal to 0, go to E dot false, and S1 dot code. Whatever be the 3 address code of to represent S, that we have to write here. S1 dot code. Then we have to generate gen, go to S dot next. Then we have to create this label gen E dot false. Then we have to write S2 code. This statement is while expression do 1. This can be explained here. This while loop checks the expression. If the expression is true, it executes the statement S1. Then again checks the expression. The statement S1 is executed until the expression is true. If the expression becomes false, it comes out of this while loop. So this can be represented here. It requires two labels, one to represent the beginning of if while loop, and another label for representing the exiting of while, S dot begin and S dot after. E dot code represent the 3 address code corresponding to the expression E. Then we have to check the value of E. If E dot place equal to 0, that means the expression is false. We have to go outside of while loop. Go to S dot after. Other ways, if expression is true, we have to execute S1. S1 dot code representing the 3 address statement corresponding to S1. Then we have to again check the condition. So we have to go begin. Go to S dot begin. Go to S dot begin. Now let us see the semantic action. S gives while E do S1. Two labels we are required. S dot begin equal to new label. S dot after equal to new label. We have to create this label first. So S dot code equal to gen S dot begin. Then we require the code, 3 address code corresponding to expression E dot code. Then gen if E dot place equal to 0, go to S dot after. S1, we require the 3 address code corresponding to S1 dot code. Then we have to go to initial, gen, go to S dot begin. We have to create the label for exit, gen S dot after. Now the SDT for finding the 3 address representation for flow of control statement is concluded here. This represents the whole that we have discussed so far. This contains the production and the semantic actions.